Okay. It's gonna watch you read your book. Don't touch it. It's gonna watch you read your book. Okay. Look at your book. What do you see?
Backhoe.
Backhoe. What else? What are the other ones?
Up here, up here, up here, up here.
Yeah, excavator. What's this called?
Up here. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Time burper.
Yeah, bulldozer. What's this?
Hefe.
Forklift. Good job. How many excavators do you see?
Yes, one. Me up here, me up here.
A mini excavator. That's right. What's this?
Boop up here.
A blue excavator. Good job.
Button.
What's this right here?
Yo! Go
What
up
is that?
here.
No, what's
You'll sit there.
that? Skid steer. That's
You'll
right.
sit here.
And what's that one?
You'll duck.
Dump truck. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yellow. Yes, yellow skid steer and yellow dump truck. Good job. What's here?
No.
What are they?
Deer.
Is it John Deere?
My deer.
What are they? Are they tractors?
Harvest.
Tractor. What color are they? What color
My
are they?
deer spiders.
Yeah, what color are the John Deere tractors? What color are John Deere tractors? What color is that?
Green pepper.
Yeah, green tractor. Alright, let's see what's on this page. What's this?
Dada's
Dada's truck.
truck.
And what's this?
Two bus.
Yep, and what's that?
Milk
Yeah.
Van.
Minivan, that's right.
Mama van.
Mama's minivan.
And that's
Luckily, Mommy's is not quite that bad. Right, what do you see
tow
here?
truck.
Yeah, that's a police tow truck.
He's tow truck.
What else do you see?
Cars.
A pickup truck?
Pickup truck.
That's a firefighter pickup truck.
Baby truck.
What's this called?
Hunt mirror.
Yeah, concrete mixer. And what's this called? Right here. Look at Mommy's thumb. Up here. What's that?
Big rig.
Big rig, that's right. A big rig, and what's that?
First truck.
Garbage truck, what's that?
Hands.
What is it?
Barns.
Car transporter.
That's a
Do you know what,
pepper.
do you know what this is?
Pepper truck.
Yeah.
Pepper truck.
Yeah. What's that? Do you remember what that's called?
That car.
Fuel tanker.
Big rig.
Big rig, yeah, it's a big rig fuel tanker.
Big rig cool.
Yeah.
Big rig
Yeah, they're
cool.
all big rigs.
Go with baby rig.
Alright, say night-night trucks.
Night shots.
Say night-night camera.
Night Tina. Papa.
Turn it off.